Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Boom, 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 boom. What up, Speed Racer? What up? What up? Just getting everything set. I'm up early today because I'm not going to be around to stream. I got to end early today because I got to meet somebody at noon. So I got to be out by 11 and I'll be back for the afternoon stream. I want to see the dip here, like it dipped and rip. If not, I'm out. Yeah. I just figured so risky trading like 20 minutes before open. I'm not going to sit here and say it's not. I normally don't. I just is my feed fucked up? Oh, my feed is messed up. Oh my god. Why is my feed messed up on Quant Tower? Oh, just a typical bullshiznick. This is the shit that gets me fucking.
Order filled.
I'm making decisions. Oh. I'm making decisions
Order canceled.
based on my chart that's actually fucking frozen. I can't believe that just happened. I can't believe that just happened. What up, Enrique? I'm in the middle of toying with it. I just set up Replenko. I mean, I've always had Replenko, but I just set it up to streamline it. Dude, I think there might be. Is there a fucking rhythmic issue?
Order.
Is there a rhythmic
Order
issue?
filled.
I'm just testing out to see. I don't know why my data just stopped.
Order filled.
I just scalped that shit. But I really just scalped it to see if my shit works. I'm playing around with it. Yeah, man, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on my computer, and I have to streamline it. Otherwise, I will just keep doing stupid stuff. But what's weird is, I don't understand why I have no data on this. I'm just going to chalk it up as it's not working. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's always something. I swear, man, it's always something. Oh, for real? All right. Let me see what I can do right now. Restart it. Yo, it says it wants me to, what do you call it? I'm updating it right now also. I'm updating, see if that works. By the way, oh, Big Daddy. Fucking GLBE came through like a motherfucker. Yeah, boy. This shit's up 11%. Daddy about to get fucking paid again. That should put me up about 5K this week. Yeah, man, you ain't kidding. Cooking. Yo, I'll be honest with you. It was kind of a layup. And the reason why I say that is Shopify reported great earnings, and they're in the e-commerce world. So you would assume that that trend is going to take place over any company that's in the e-commerce world that is not a direct competitor with Shopify. So it kind of made sense. I hope it holds the gains for another 15 minutes. And then I'm probably going to unload the majority of my stuff. The reason I'm going to unload the majority is no matter how good earnings are, we're high. The market's up a ton. This is one that hopefully I can rebuy when it dips. Anytime you get like 11% on a day in a stock, it's typically where I'm taking profits. I'm not even going to play like I'm not, like, man, we get over this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'll buy a 5-piece. See what happens.
Order submitted.
Yeah, so I just look at the trends. Yeah, see, couldn't. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, so I just look at the trends. I mean, such a nice hit if we open here. Such a nice hit. What am I meant to do something. I meant to do something. I forget what I was just gonna do. What up? What if? Oh, I was trying to get my quant tower up. That's how I know I'm just doing too many things, to be honest with you. I sometimes sit here and I can't remember what the fuck I was going to do. Pretty good morning. Oh, shit. There's orders in.
Order canceled.
Ooh, I just got a freaking alert. Let me screenshot. I'm going to look at that later on. Oh, baby Jesus, hold the gains on global until I can get out in the morning and options set. All right, let's see if this freaking connects and I get data. Connecting. All I think of is enhance. Enhance. Yo, it worked, by the way. Yeah, that worked. Yeah. I'm back. I'm back with my my quant tower data. Damn. All right, so let's get back to the charts now that I could. So I know it was pre-market, but man, that was a nice freaking lower high. Yeah, that's all you got to do. So I updated it and I restarted it. Holy shit! Did you just see those stop losses get taken out? Dude, did you just see those stop losses just get freaking... Is there news? Is there news out? I doubt there was 920 news unless it's news on a stock.
Order filled.
Something's going on. Something's going on.
Order submitted.
I wonder if it was like a missile strike or something like that. I'm willing to risk it.
Order filled.
Quick 55. I have that on freaking... I have to readjust my charts too. That's another thing I got to do. Yo, where do you see the London lows? I don't have London lows. We're below. London lows was 51. We're below that now. So London lows was 51. If we come back, we just swept London lows. Hold on one second.
So what we're seeing.
Oh man, I don't even know what's going on. I got stupid shit. I got some noise in the background. I had noise in the background. Bro. What? Bro, what meme coin? What coin was it? Was it like Pepe or some shit like that? Something wild? I feel like if they go over 51, I feel like if they bring it over 51, we go back into the London lows. Like we swept below it, we come back over. I feel like we will ramp back.
Order submitted.
Shorts? Yeah, I mean, dude, I mean, they're selling this the fuck off. I'm only here if we come above the London lows. Like I'm not buying it here. I could definitely see this I just took a short with the stop into London lows. And if we go down, we go down. I got to get a water. I'll be right back. Getting a water. Oh, let's see what we got. We all green pre-market? I just got fucking top ticked. Yo, Fred, tell me did you follow on that? You should never follow me ever. But if you did, that's obviously your choice. If you followed, that is obviously your choice. But yeah, bro, it's up 11%. I'm still a bit reluctant until NVIDIA results. Dude, NVIDIA is going to be... Oh, no trades, just watched it? Yeah. Dude, they crushed it, man. You know, they absolutely crushed it. I'm waiting 3 minutes for 3 minutes the market opens, and hopefully the options open quickly. And I'm going to
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
all right, I'm out of everything before the market fucking... We open 3 minutes. I hate trading like this. What up, F1? What up, what up? What up, Ivan? We're back in the London lows, though, which is interesting. I kind of like that we're back in the London lows, but I can't hold until... I just can't do it. Good morning, Andy. I just can't hold into the open. It's just too freaking crazy for me. It's so risky also. There's so much volume that happens like the first 3 minutes. There's too much wick whack for me. How long did it take you slobs to get your Take Profit Trader Pro activated? The next day. Did you pass it yesterday or today? When did you pass it? Fuck it. This is an eval. Yeah, you got to lose this. Yo, it's easy to lose the money. Pass yesterday, clicked activate on the pro. Sign out and sign back in. You should be fine. You should be all good in the hood, man. Holy shit. Did they just sell that the They just sold that off. I wonder what's going on. Oh, baby. This is sloppy as shit. I would just give it a little bit. I would just give this a little bit. That's exactly what I would do right now. Just let it slop around, find a direction. Yo! Another solid day. I don't like that we're under the London lows. This kind of looks shitty. Watch this just trend down the whole day.
Order filled.
Watch this just trend down all day. Just a freaking dump. Yeah, that's what I thought was coming, Visible. That's exactly what I thought was coming.
Order filled.
I might just hold this.
Order submitted.
That's not fucking good, by the way.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. It's going to get interesting. It's going to get real freaking interesting. I said after the election, we're going to go for a fucking dip. I wonder if that's what causes it, is this Ukraine crap. Dude, listen, I'm just saying, watch out. This could just trend freaking down all day. I'm going to take a new eval, and I'm just going to...
Order filled. Order submitted.
Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, I think this is their last little bit that they could free longs. I think this is their last little bit to do whatever before Trump pulls it out. I just don't see I don't see any scenario where this is really good. I think we're going to be, if that really catches on and we get really like the markets get nervous, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see us down, 200 points today. All you're doing is just, playing to the short side. Let's see if we get under 700 here. Under 700 should cause a freaking flushy.
Order submitted.
Let's see what happens. I'm going to move my stop down. If we go under 90, I'm going to move my stop down to 700. Yeah. There we go. Here we go, boys. Ray, at the end of the day, only you can help yourself. I might take profits here. $239. It's just we seem like we're fucking underwater. Is it going to keep going? Yo, Diddy, director of childcare? Jeez. Close your other business. Dude. I'm just saying, this is like a beach ball underwater. Eventually it's going to come up and then you can go back down. But it seems like it needs some type of a relief bounce. Just for the sake of a relief bounce. You can't say I'm not interested in starting a prop firm. I will say the conversation, I was nowhere near it, but me and Jay joked around about it. We've joked around about it. It would be fucking hysterical if it was us two owning a fucking prop firm. You can't say it wouldn't be. It would be awesome. I'm just looking for a bounce to reshort, to be honest with you. it doesn't have to come back, but you know, there is a risk reward here. Like you can obviously keep fucking shorting, but like at some point, I just want to see some type of bounce. It doesn't have to be big. Just give me like, you know, 20-point bounce or something like that. We're so like, this is the 9. We're so far away from the 9. 30 points away from it. That's a lot. Yeah, well, I will not rug pull your payments. Holy shit. You just had to be short out the gate. Pivot points at 47. I wonder if we reclaim that here for a push back up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I want to see it have some type of push here. Otherwise, this is just fucking... Damn, Ray.
Order submitted.
But like this, if they don't hold it here, I'm holding short the whole day in this account, no matter what happens. How's that sound? Yeah, we caught the morning dump. There's just no fucking buying.
Order filled.
Here we go. I will not.
Order filled.
They're gonna bring this down to probably 600. Bro, the V is coming. My stop is over the pivot point. Submitted. I feel like if you can get back over the pivot point, they'll let it run.
Order submitted.
If they don't allow it back over, like, oh shit. Dude, that
order filled.
Holy shit.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
What do you think? You think the V? The V? Are we going to get the flying V?
Order. Order filled.
I don't know, man. They're pushing this fucking hard.
Stop filled.
Oh, my fucking, what do you call it? I just blew an eval. Ugh, why does it do that? Yo, this
order submitted.
This account has "I'm blowing it today" written all over it, by the way. That was probably the bounce that I wanted to short, and I didn't fucking short it. So I will not bring my degenerateness to any other accounts besides this account. I just feel like if you're going to hold the pivot point, it just looks fucking like it could be back up into 275 land. What's up, Marie? Massive move. It's massive. It's the second time I heard that today. It just dumped out the gate. It might. It might. We'll see what happens. I should take my fucking gains here. The smart move would be to take my gains.
Order filled.
There. I sold a little bit of gains.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submit. Order canceled.
Yeah, I don't know. It all depends on how the market likes that news. I mean,
Order filled.
I think I'm about to smash a bunch of fucking Bullnox accounts, by the way. Just so we hear a bunch of shit going on. It is not good trading. It's it's just I'm trying to get 3 funded accounts in Bullnox today. We'll just say that's where I'm heading to. They're so cheap now. They're $15. Obviously, there's the activation fee, but it's almost cheaper than anything else to get a funded account. Even though you pay the activation fee is expensive. It's going down, guaranteed. Dude, I've had a bunch of guarantees that haven't panned out in my life. I don't know. I think you're right.
Order canceled.
I think you're right in the fact that we are going to go lower. I just don't know if we're going to pop first.
Order filled.
Here we go. If I lose,
Submitted.
it's on Ray. I'm going to collect from Ray if I lose. So this looks like it's going to go lower. But you never know. They'll just yank it right back up. They will yank it right back up and say, ha ha, free shorts, can't lose, baby. Yeah, that is not what you want to see, Ray. Ray, we don't want that. That looks freaking bullish to me. That looks like a double bottom, Ray. Dude, this thing gets over 72. That's a really nice double bottom. If it doesn't get over 72, then we'll roll over. But other than that, I mean, you swept the lows right here. You get over, I mean, you're probably going to continue back up. If we don't get over that, though, I want to know how impactful this freaking news is. That's the most important thing to me right now, because that's what's driving this. This could be consolidation and then just roll back over without a shadow of a doubt. That's what this could be. If it makes you feel better, it couldn't get over the, yeah, I'll show you. Seems like it can't really close above this area. Problem is we're above the pivot point, and this area is super strong. So you're going to have to flip. You have to flip this, and then you probably drop freaking hard. It's not what we want to see, Ray. Let's see. What is, I'm just curious. Oh, look at this. The SPY is fucking rolling. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're gonna tank it here. SPY is making new lows. Do we follow? Does the NQ follow? Look at that. Swept it. See, you have new lows by the SPY, but not on the NQ. That is You want to see this sweep low. That looks fucking bad.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Thank you for your vote of confidence. Let me get it out for you. That didn't sound great, but anyways. Right, I appreciate it.
Order filled.
Oh fuck, I bought this fucking thing. Oh my god. Oh, I don't even have this. Oh, jeez.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna get fucked here. Yeah, this has the bounce look too, and I bought in an account, and I didn't know that it was fucking being copy traded. How's that sound? I'm just gonna close out for
Order filled. Order filled.
all right, there's a lot going on here. Hold on. There's too much going on here. This is freaking copy trading. I didn't mean it to copy trade. I'm glad I just got out with a $20 loss. Yo, that was
Order filled.
Why is it not adding the freaking? Dude, I closed it.
Order filled.
Okay. Dude, there's supposed to be a strategy that freaking. There's supposed to be a strategy that comes up to give me a stop loss, and there was no stop loss being added. Freaking willy-nillying it. How much is the activation fee on Bullnox? 148 on the 50K. Do not do any account on Bullnox but the 50K. It's the only one you do. Otherwise, the activation fee it's stupid. Stupid. I need to trust. Do not go long. Do not go long.
Target filled.
I'm going to go long. Dude, what the fuck just happened there? Was I in something? Dude, I didn't realize I was in a Bullnox account. I just made $1,200 in an eval. So there's a cost. It depends on what you're doing, like anything. I think if you're able to pass sooner, my funded futures is better. Same with Take Profit Trader. And I have a My Funded Futures account, and I have a Take Profit Trader account. I think each one is good in its own way. By the way, Jeez. See, my only worry is you know, I hate getting this bias of down, 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 because then I only frame out shorts. Like I'm only looking for shorts, and I don't want to get into that mindset right now. You know, I just want to play what the chart gives me, and that's it. Otherwise, you get this mindset that we're just going to go south. But I mean, that would have been a good short right on the pivot point.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit. We all know what that sound is, by the way. It's frozen. My Ninja Trader's frozen. Oh, this thing's just fucking freezing my screen up. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. I hit the close button. I'm hitting the close button. For those that are wondering, that is a stop loss, a trailing stop in Ninja Trader, which means you're making money. I got to take the trail off is what I got to do. I used the wrong one. I used the wrong one. That is my fault. It's almost done, guys. It's almost done. I'm out of the position already. But there we go. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Dude, it froze my computer. All right, I got to edit that real quick. That's probably let's edit the strategy to oh geez. Sounds like opening to Mississippi Queen. Dude. Kind of looks like we're just gonna trend.
Order filled.
I do trailing stop.
Order filled.
Trailing. I just do option. I think it's 2 or 3. Option 1, 50K. If you use the code, it's 91% off. Give me 600 and I'll reverse mortgage the house. Do you think we hold 600? I don't, dude. Holding 600? Ray, I got something for you. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it for you. It's freaking. I'm Ray Trades. Bro, I mean, you had to make a lot of money. You had to make a lot of money. Dude, that's fucking nasty. That's nasty, nasty. I mean, honestly, you could kind of just see it rolling over. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so glad I protected my portfolio with puts. Dude, I bought puts as protection up $705. I bought right before the dump. Gotta wear that, those puts are an account Jimmy hat. You know? Gotta wear protection sometimes. Dude, because that would have fucked my account up. Not fucked it up, but like I would only be up 1,000 on the day. After having GLB earnings that were great, and that would have messed my whole day up. But instead, I wore the account condom, and I mean, short was it. Dude, I wish I held when I copy traded all those accounts. Jeez, they'd be up $800. Is this Ukraine news? No, this is Ukraine news. They're shooting freaking missiles into Moscow, into Russia now. You know,
Order filled.
dude. I think I'm at the point that I'm just gonna fucking hold. I keep saying it, but like,
Order submitted.
it just seems like this has no. There seems like there's no bounce in sight, and this almost feels like we're gonna be. It's kind of giving me the vibes that we're gonna be down fucking massive today. Whether that's true or not, it's just that's the vibes I'm getting. I mean, you should see a bounce at 20,500, I would assume.
Order submitted.
You know, probably some, you know. Dude, I just keep bringing my fucking stop of my options up. Jeez. Woo!
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Told you. I mean, Ray definitely called it from the top, but, you know, who had the balls to short it when we were down 200 already? Oh, this is the underwater bounce. It's a good spot to long, Knob, because you're probably going to get a bounce at 500. I mean, what up, Lee? I mean, if they don't bounce it at 500, you know, what are we doing here? You know? I just feel like 500. The Ukraine missile news. Oh man, I'm so happy I did that. Biden signed that shit the other day that Ukraine can fire long-range missiles into Russia. I don't even think he knew he signed it. He was moving his hand and somebody was behind his arm going like this. That's what was happening. And now they're shooting this shit into Russia. The market's uneasy. You got NVIDIA earnings tonight after hours. By the way, you could definitely pass an account tonight, without a doubt. Market is cooked, boys. Looks like we're going to roll.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if I can just scalp a little downside action here.
Order filled.
I'm just getting out. I'm getting out. Dude, it's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, do I think we're gonna bounce? I mean, they gotta give some type of relief bounce. You got the pivot point at 501. I wonder if they bring it down there. 501 pivot point. Dude, there's a lot of shit going on, man. It's crazy. Why did that happen? I didn't want to even buy that. I'm setting an order. Setting orders, man. It feels like there's no buying in the market right now.
Order filled.
It feels like there's zero buying right now. Come on, we want to see 500. Get that 500 bounce.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Normally I would play this 500 bounce like heavy. I am not playing this heavy.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm not playing this heavy at all because this is fucking dangerous as hell.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I'll be honest with you. That's like all I was looking for because this shit looks like there's no buying in the market. So another reason why, listen, we might bounce all the way fucking up to 640. I don't like that we came down here, couldn't bounce, and then dropped. Like I would have wanted to see this not hold, and then we go all the way down to here and then bounce. I don't want to see here a little bounce and then here a little bounce. I want to see distance traveled into 500. I don't want to see us consolidate right here, lose bear flag. It's too close for me. And you know what? It might bounce and great, but I'm just saying for my liking, this bear flag is too close to 500. That's why I didn't go heavy or anything like that. You know, and you can see we're not getting that fucking push that you want to see out of this. But listen, we can bounce. Obviously, I'm just. Would I short right here? Probably not, because 500 is right here. You know. I think earnings report tonight will drive market up or down, in your opinion. Yeah, I mean, I don't know which way NVIDIA is going to push, to be honest with you. I'm not even going to sit here and tell you like I know. NVIDIA is expensive on where it's at. Holy shit. That's why, yeah. Damn, man. They bought that right back up. Dude, I mean, yeah. Sometimes, Ray, I just got to say fuck it and just say, hey, the account's going to be gone if I don't, the account's going to be gone if I'm wrong. And that's it. Especially, on the new, like a new account.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I moved it down. I mean, listen, you might put a little bottom in here and then bounce it. I think the overall is going to be down.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see what happens. Are we going to break over the 9 finally or no? We haven't been able to break over the 9. Yeah. You lose 500, like we trend back down. I don't know if we go back over today. Like I think if we lose 76 trending down, I don't think we go back over 500. Yo, you're smelling that V?
Order filled.
I want to see a pop and then it come down. And if we hold 500, we get that'd be crazy. Dude, that's a big wick on it's a big wick on the higher time frame. Jeez. Makes sense to go to 57. See, we flipped this gap, which is nice. Damn, they're just gonna rip this thing. I would think we're gonna hit the 34 is probably where we're gonna go. No, that was it. That was all the bulls got. Dude, they just pushed this hard and then just bulls need to show some follow through.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Let's see if it can get back. Push it, baby. What I don't like is this. We're getting up there without you know, I want to see we need to push, like this candle and next candle need to push. Yeah, get over that. Yep. Come back up. I like it. I'm just looking at it on different some different time frames and different indicators. I don't know if it's going to go. Looks like it's just stalling. What's the ES doing? ES is dropping out of this, which is not what you want. Yeah, not what I want. Not what I wanted to see.
Order failed.
Dude, they're going to push this shit back down. Dude, the bulls can't fucking muster up anything. Are they going to rip it back up here? I just got out break even. On the higher time frames, you go over 540, would look really good. Just seems like it has a date. It seems like it just has a date with going lower. Every time they try to push it, it's just can't get it going. Dude, it's just freaking. I would assume there'd be buying in the market with NVIDIA earnings today.
Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
Dude, that was a nice freaking scalp.
Order failed. Order submitted.
That's my
Order failed.
oh baby, here it goes. What do you guys think? Back to 600, I guess. Oh, my computer.
Order failed. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order failed.
Dude, anybody get that? Wow. Wowzers. Dude, this thing could keep going. I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying if we, oh my God, if we come back, was that 39? We come back a bit. Still happy though. I was up 600 and then that little flash took me out at 200. Okay, well, money. Yeah, I think, I mean, I could see that, Ray.
Order failed.
This is more of a scalp. This is more like,
Order submitted.
you know,
Order failed. Stop failed.
are they going to push it? I would almost agree with you, Ray. Nah. I don't like that.
Order filled.
The only thing I will say is
Order filled. Order submitted.
that's where my stop is.
Order filled.
Rough area right here. You would want to see it go on this candle or the next candle over 73. If you do not get that push, you're probably going to get a push down. Dude, power hour has been shit lately. Power hour has been brutal. There's nothing power about it recently.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
So I got fucking... Keep going.
Order filled.
Oh, baby. Yeah, morning trading has been crazy lately. I mean, you got your little bull flag breakout. Dude, that was pretty solid. That was really solid, man. I don't know if I like this if it comes back down to continue up. I don't know if I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Oh, do I want to? I'll do it in eval. Let me pull up an eval. I don't know. It's just not. Imagine we grind all the way back up.
Order filled. Order submitted.
If we grind all the way back up and I don't take this in at least an eval, I would be annoyed. So we just went over we just inverted another gap. So I want to say as long as we hold above this, I kind of like it. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I'm holding. Not fucking leaving. Holy shit. Boy! Yo, I should go get some fucking steaks. Some steaks today. Dude, that was my protection on the way down. Oh, damn. We had a good day. Yo, 10 duck races? Dude. The best part about it is it's like it's out there. It's not like I'm. Oh shit. So I just got an alert.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ah, I was late to the fucking party.
Order submitted.
I got such a bad
Order
fill.
filled. Order filled.
Where's 75 at? Fuck, man.
Order filled.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Dude. That's freaking. That's nice. Yeah, I was worried that we were going to get stopped out at 600. Free longs. I knew that this was the fucking buy too. 542 was the buy. I'm not fucking playing. I would my old self would play this short right here. My old self would play this short right the fuck here. 615, I would short this. That is the hourly. I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. Let's see what happens. It's such a low probability trade, but I just can't help myself. Yeah, I play the trend better. Just play the fucking trend. But I just can't help myself. Straight in front of the train. I'm in front of the train telling it I want all the smoke. Watch how it ends for me. It's probably not going to end well. It never does. Never ends well. I mean, I know it. Everybody else on the stream knows it. I just have to do it. Some things you just have to do in life. This is one of them. I got to short the hourly orb because I'm a freaking moron. Yo, what up, Cards fan?
Order filled.
Come on. Needs to get under the 9. I want to see. Really, you should wait till you see a lower high. But here I am, like an idiot. Plenty of opportunities to get out. Damn, Fred, that's awesome. Dude, I'm doing it for the stream. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't really do it for that reason, Ray. I'm just doing it. I honestly think this could be the top for a nice pullback. My biggest worry, though, is we just consolidate right here in a bull flag. And in that aspect, I'm going to flip long. Like if we don't break down here, I'm probably going to, I might just take my money here. It looks like it's not going to push. Got to click the button, bro. If you're not clicking the button, what are you really doing? Come on. I want to see a nice setup is what I would love to see. I have a feeling we're going higher. Just a little bull flag. Watch us go all the way back up. All the way back up to 70. Watch that shit. Watch us go all the way back up.
Order filled.
They're going to pop this shit over the hourly orb. Watch. Well, we're back in it now. We're going to go up to the VWAP. We're going to go up to the VWAP at 56. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Would not surprise me one bit to go to the VWAP. I'll sell one, and I'll just bring this one up. I'll hold this to 47, and I will just hold. We need that lower low and then go into 10 contracts. Dude, hello, Dora. I think we're going to go back up to VWAP. The VWAP, not just VWAP, but the VWAP. VWAP is all the way at 73. I think we're going to consolidate for a little bit, though. I think it's going to be and then up. I don't think it's going to be just up. I think we're going to play around here a little bit.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I mean, I think the downtrend is kind of over for the most part. I mean, yeah, if you get over, I think the downtrend is done. Personally, here's the trend. I think we broke the downtrend around here. I just think that I think my target would be like 70. We're flagging again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn. Dude, that was fucking naughty. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Dude. We got out at the top on that pump, too. Oh, baby. Yo. I'll be honest with you. I've been fucking up lately doing stupid shit. Doing stupid shit of leaving orders in. Doing stupid shit of trying to short when obviously we're not in a short situation. I've been replaying, so you can replay. You can replay in here and play from like here, and then I can. I've just been replaying stuff, and I've been kind of back testing things that I've been doing wrong, and kind of like journaled them a little bit. It's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I find myself on the right side of the trades a lot, and now the next point is obviously not doing that stuff, but then also holding longer. Like I should have held. So, argument's sake, I'll just give you the prime example. I'll show you right on here. When we broke over 542, when we broke over, is this how you do it? you'd target like up here is what I should have done, was target. That's what that trade should have looked like. Either my stop would have been low a day. So therefore, if the spread is too big, if I'm like, I can either play smaller, or I could set it for the pivot point, or at the very tightest, I set it right here. And depending on where you're willing to risk is how big you play. You know, you could play 2 micros, you could play 5 micros, you could play 1 mini, but you got to remember, you're risking 30 points here, $600 with 1. That was the fucking play though. That was the play. You're out break even. And I think that's where I have to do. I got to just start trusting myself. Trust myself in where we break to just say, I'm holding, and just, it is what it is. I just got to trust my strategy of, you know, I just had to trust myself. Obviously, I made money on the way up, but we should have got, my account should be it, you know, $500 or more. Man, we going higher here? That was the freaking play. My drawdown look like $4,000. Man, this account has been freaking crazy to me. Boom, 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 boom. I hope we all made money today. I feel like we made a lot of money. I feel like there was good plays, right? I mean, I think we're going to the VWAP at a minimum.
Order filled.
This looks like it's basically another bull flag. Probably going to push back to probably 60 or something if it holds. I would say got to hold like 22. The only thing I don't like is we bull flagged here, right? And we broke. We didn't really get continuation. Like, you should have been like up here. Like you broke with a candle and we kind of just stayed. I think you're probably right. that bull flag was not a massive push out like you would want. But the same thing kind of happened here where you had a bear flag break and then you didn't really go anywhere.
Stop filled.
Not looking good on the higher time frames.
Order.
I don't like that we're right above 600
Order
though.
filled.
Right above 600 is a rough. We're right above the 34. You want to see it. You want to see it give it up right here under the 34 and head down. I went short in an eval. I don't trust this shit though. I'm getting out. I'm up.
Order filled.
That was just a scalp. There's not much meat on the bone to me because you got 600. They might just pop it back on the 34 here and back up. But if you look, we're about to enter a fair value gap. Like there's a couple things here. Big question is, do we just hold 600? Man, it's such a fucking wide sell zone. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do here. I mean, you're holding the, honestly, you're holding the 34. I would say as long as you hold 600, but it doesn't look good. This is what doesn't look good. Looks like you're getting a little head and shoulders here. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then you break down below. You'd have to break below 601 for it to be intact, but
Order submitted.
I think if you get
Order submitted.
I think if you can break 601 to the downside on this head and shoulders, you can probably get some momentum to the downside.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, what did I tell you? What did I tell you guys? Somebody tell me that I just called that Head and Shoulders. Somebody just, dude. Tell me, dude. Fake news prelim? What's fake news? I got to refresh my Ninja Trader. Oh, I should have fucking played that. I think we're going to go lower. What does Top Step House account look like? I don't know. CT usually watches it. My Head and Shoulders was fake news, except the fact that we're down a ton that you could have got 20 points on. Then it's not for you, my man. You sound like a guy that went long there. You sound like a guy that bought the 600 thinking it was going to hold and got shellac-a-lacked. Where is my freaking Ninja Trader? There we go. Bro,
Order filled.
I agree with you.
Order canceled.
I hate when Ninja Trader does that. You cancel one leg and it cancels both orders. Why would you cancel that? Why does Ninja Trader do that? Now I gotta put the thing in manually.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
There we go. Oh, geez.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on. I need this to freaking get under 81 for me. I agree with you. I think the downtrend continues. This is one of those times that I am being tested. This is one of those times that they're fucking testing me to sell my fucking position. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
I fucking took it. I'm still in my eval, but it was $80 and I had to take it.
Order submitted.
If we break, I'm in.
Order submitted.
If we break, I'm back in, but I'm still in my eval. I'm watching it fucking move around right here. No, so Rosales, you don't lose anything. What happens is you're just gonna, on day 3, you're just gonna have to make like $80 or something like that. It's not a consistency rule that you lose the account. You're just gonna have to make a couple extra bucks at the end. I would just stop at 1560. Don't try to lose, because if you try to lose and you make some, then you're really gonna be in the shitter. So just stop there. Yeah. Awesome day, though. Awesome day. Congrats, man. Is that first day or is that your second day? I'm guessing it's your first day. Break this shit to the downside. Come on, man. I know you want to. I know you want to. You know you want to. Just do it. I hope they flash it down and I get filled real quick. That'd be a quick $200. This is why I got out of my funded account. I couldn't risk. Because I'd have been pissed. See, the problem is you got a fair value gap, right? We go back over, I'm not loving it. Oh, you want to see a rejection right here. So glad I sold. You know what? I get mad that I don't hold the winners sometimes, but dude, sometimes I'm so happy that I sell, because I grab the bottom. Like, I grab the bottom. Yo, what up, David?
Order filled. Order submitted.
Holding winners. I mean, I just went in with 3 micros. It's like a tiny, tiny position. I just want to see if we work back down to like 83. I'll just scalp it. Probably like 405, David. You can definitely pass. You could probably definitely pass Apex accounts today on NVIDIA earnings. I don't know. I don't know if you could pass like other things, but like, yeah, NVIDIA earnings would be see, I'm just looking to scalp like 20 something dollars here.
Order failed. Order canceled.
Well, that's the problem, Knob, is you can get liquidated. That's kind of why, like, argument's sake, like, I love this setup. But like, we go as high as 71 and then we pull back to 44. That's 600 freaking dollars. Like, I would rather sell out and wait for a pullback to rebuy, I guess. Because otherwise, it's a $600 swing, which will kill your drawdown. Man, this goes under 78. You're looking for a nice short here. It's like they don't want me to make money on the downside. To the downside? Oh, this is some bear flag consolidation. I've never seen one, but are we going to break to the downside? I have no idea. Yeah, no, like that's my, it depends on your sizing. Like if you had 3 micros, you know, then it's not that big of a deal. If you had one mini, like on this pullback, you'd be down $600 on one micro, you'd be down $600. But on like that on one mini, on 3 micros, you'd be down about 180 bucks. Like I could hold 180 bucks down. You know, that's not a big deal. But then like if you buy 3 micros, you'd have to sell it all the way up here for the same gain as taking one mini from here to here. So I think that's just where I'm at. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll probably get stopped out, but it feels like we're going lower. We're working up, but we're not going up, which means when this turns, we're going to probably rip it down.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I feel like we're going to get a flash.
Order failed. Order failed.
This is what I'm worried about. I'm worried about the flash under and back up.
Order filled.
Super worried about the back up. Yo, are they free, Trader Fan? If they're not free, I would watch out. See, this is why entry is so important, guys, right? So here's a perfect example. So I scalped this for a quick 35 bucks, right? If I would have gotten in more towards the 34 and said, listen, my stop is going to be over 603, not only would I have gotten more, but forget about more. When we finally broke, I wouldn't have been selling right here. I would be like, oh, wow, like let's move this down and follow it down.
Order filled. Order submitted.
This is the worst fucking entry ever of life. I just think that they're going to keep selling it down. I'm curious if they just flush it. If they flush it like, this is super risky, but I'm wondering if they flush it to like in the 30s here. No.
Order filled.
Yeah. Bro, I had the TP to the swing high to the left. I am. Oh, you mean up to 72? Yeah, I honestly, when we broke out from here, I probably would have targeted up there.
Order filled.
I'm taking super light.
Order submitted.
I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way down. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. See, this is me doing stupid shit when I should just not be trading. Yeah. I mean, I pretty much know where you. I feel like I know exactly where you got that. I guess understanding.
Order submitted.
The understanding from.
Order submitted.
Because me and you were thinking the same on that. I just don't hold that long. And you should have broke. It should have broke. That thought
Order
process
filled.
gets invalidated.
Order filled.
That
Order
thought
filled.
process isn't all right. So real quick, that thought process, because me and you were thinking the same way, right? You were targeting up here. Why I would have said I'm out is you kind of break the trend here. You can see that obviously we're going up. We go under the 9 here, and then once we bounce off the 34 and make a lower high right here, I'm out long. My longs are done at that point. So at that point, I am done. And then you got to know to start freezing shorts. You know what I'm saying? Like me and you, I know what you're looking
Order
at,
filled.
and it makes sense. It makes perfect sense. But when you get a lower high and you kind of get in a head and shoulders look, You just got to be out, man.
Order filled.
Little scalp action. Yeah. So that's where I would have taken profit if you were just riding it up. Because Trader Fan, I bet you, would you buy in at 544? Is that what you bought in at? 544? You bought in at 544 and you were looking for 762, right? Because I can't be the only one that was doing that. And I'm pretty sure you were too, because I think you're looking at the same model that I was looking at. You bought in 544, 545. Yeah, see? Yeah. Because I know what you're looking at. Because I did the same thing. I told myself that was the play of the day, which it was. And I didn't hold, but I played it up. Yeah, 544, and then you're looking for 670. Yeah. So yeah, once it breaks the trend, every time since we broke it, look, you get a high, you get a dip, you get a high, you get a dip, you get a high, you get a dip, you get a high, and now this is the first time that we're closing below the 9. That is not good. But you want to see, hey, maybe I'll stay in and see if we get another ripper up, and then your bounce is only here, and then it sells back down. You just got to be out. And now you're starting to phrase shorts. Then what you're doing is flip it opposite now, man. So if you rotated this chart, I don't know how to do it, but if you rotated this chart, you have this pattern right here, up here. Look, you have an inverted head and shoulders. You have a shoulder, head, shoulder. We break, we go up. Now you have shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's the same shit. Now, basically, you go under 600, and now you're freezing shorts, and you're looking for 481. Am I going to hold to 481? No, but that's kind of your target is 481. You're looking for low of the day. This is a clean ass trade today on both sides. Yeah. It's funny when people come, like, I will say, man, you're thinking on the right way. You're definitely, if you are noticing this, we find the bottom, you're not bottom chasing, we bounce, we come back, and then when we break over, you're many steps above to be a profitable, highly profitable, because that was the play. And then, you just got to reverse it on the other way. And now technically I should be done trading for the day. If I really sat here, I got gains. All my funded accounts are up. I should at this point stop for the day, but we all know I'm not going to. But yeah, I mean, now I would kind of be targeting down low. Are we going to get there?
Order filled.
I don't know. I'm going to see how far we go. I would assume If we can get under 50, I think we see 500. This is my only issue, though. Come on, get under, get under. So sometimes you have to zoom out, man. Like, watch this. If you saw this chart, now you'd really be short. You know, once you break, you basically have a tweezer top, just how you can have a tweezer bottom. You know, you kind of have the top.
Order filled.
Do you, Trader Fan, do you have Trading View by any chance? Do you have Trading View? Because I'll give you this setup. What this is pretty much the people that think like that use. Well, we held 550. And now what you're getting is we might find a bottom here. You're into this fair value gap on the 15 and you're holding. You get over 82, you probably start making your way back up. We just got over 82. Watch this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm not looking for any long-term hold. I'm just looking for
order filled.
57 bucks. Yeah, but it's a free version, so I don't know if I can use indicator. Oh, shit. Look at that. So once we got out of this fair value gap at 84, it's a rip. It's a rip. Not only that, you have a higher low right here, right? You got a higher low. We held 550. You get a higher low, and then it's an awesome trade right there. Well, dude, we fucking tore this market up today. We tore this market up today. I'm going to get some accounts. All right, I think these are new. I'm going to use these accounts for NVIDIA earnings after hours. Just throwing it out there. I will be playing that. Are you still holding long, Trader Fan? Because if you are, I mean, you're obviously looking much better, but you're short at 613. No, I think it looks good. Look, you're right back in this what do they call it? Breaker block. It's about to invalidate. I mean, I'm not shorting it. Just yeah, one of my rules is to take 2 trade max a day. That's why I try to look for the move. But yeah, I should stop trading my funded accounts after lunch is what I really should. Because watch, like I'm up in all these. I should probably just stop. Today I might stop, but normally I'll trade these in the. I'll end up trading these later on, and I'll end up doing some stupid shit. I try to take less than 400 trades on any day. Damn, Fred. See, now it starts getting sloppy for my style of trading. Like this was clean. This was clean. Now I want to sit here. I mean, can we go up? Yeah. Can we go down? Yeah. Oh man. Bought this pullback, whatever short. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's what it's about is changing the mindset. Yeah, I would have shorted this shit a couple times. I'm not shorting anything. I want to see a pullback to 17 is what I want to see. We get a pullback to like 17. I don't know if we will. Damn, I'm getting alerts at the geez, yeah. Come on, give me need a little pullback action here. Actually, 17-13 would be like the 9. Dude, I get rebuild all the time, Ray. I get that's how I got these accounts, rebuild. I got fucking rebuilds like you wouldn't believe. Yeah. What's the worst that could happen? Now you just make some money, right? Make some freaking money. I bought some of this just now. SYF. Just throwing it out there if anybody's following along or not following along. I don't ever want to be like, oh, he didn't say that on the stream. So I bought some SYF just to throw it out there. And the rest of the plays I put out on the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, I'm out of all my GLBE, and I'm out of all my QQQ. Yeah, I bet they did CT. I bet. Dude, I'm putting out a video tonight about it. I'm putting out a video tonight about it. Without a doubt. You know what's crazy, Trader Fan? It pretty much just hit the target that we were talking about. But look at that drawdown you got to sit in. 45. It's a 90-point drawdown. The only way you're sitting in that drawdown is if you're probably playing with your own money and not you didn't Cove and not and not propfirm money. Oh man, I don't know. Jeez, this thing's always messing up. I don't know why this does that. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, why does that happen? Dude, you were in that drawdown? Jeez. Daddy is a failure? Sorry, kid, we homeless. I mean, that's the drawdown that you have to sit in to play that profit target. And I just can't do it. Like, that would be my out, and my in would have been back when we made the higher low. You could have got me in also. I could have definitely gotten faked out right here. Could have gotten me. I was still downside though. Yeah, it took way too long. Yeah. Meet me behind Wendy's for the old food. Dude. Yeah, A+ model should have been closed for the yeah. I mean we were close. Oh man. Some really clean trading today though. Oh geez. Is this gonna make I wonder what happens when we return back to in this zone. I wonder if it triggers one of those things. Yo, Ray, what'd you just go all in? Damn, my funded futures expert account. That was quick. That was real fast. Dude, that was real fast. I mean, what'd you have that for? That what was that, like 10 minutes? You passed it? You just went long? $650 back to the pivot point would be freaking awesome. Also, it would basically correlate with this. You got the 200 down there.
We did it.
We did it, Ray. We did it, Ray. Yo, I'm telling you, you just gotta be patient. It's so easy to just keep fucking trading over and over and over again. That's why I have funded accounts and I have evals, because like I might be done for the day in my funded account. I might be completely done. I'm gonna come. Dude, the sound bites are awesome.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Dude, all the athletes now are doing the Trump dance at like football, and John Jones did it. The Trump dance is like going viral now. So what's interesting is we're at this 377 line. Oh, it is. This is some stupid ass play that I definitely did that I shouldn't be doing. There we go. I copy trade 25 accounts, including my live futures account. I need to be careful or I am screwed. Bro. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad you found us, Ray. I mean, I try to provide a fun environment, but with also some knowledge given. You know, provide some knowledge, provide some insight, and then have some fun. You know, that's pretty much what it's about. Yo, what do you? I'm just curious. What are you using to copy trade? Are you on Quant Tower? Yeah, that's what I have right now. I have that. I definitely have that. $700.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
I almost want to short it with like small size, but it's not really like a short. Like nothing here is telling me we're running out of gas. Damn, we're over 700. This is crazy. Dude, we're at midnight right now? Dude, the midnight opens at 797 or 800. Oh, you're talking about the midpoint. We were talking two different things. Yeah. There's a whole concept about returning to midnight. Somebody did a back study I saw recently that said if you open below midnight, it was like 70% of the time you head back and touch midnight open again, New York time, which would be 800 in this case.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm in on that.
Order filled.
Probably hit 81. I'm afraid it doesn't break the 9 though. At 95 was the short. 95 to 81 would have been the short for me. I was looking at this gap to the downside into this gap.
Order filled.
Where's the top of this gap? 705.
Order submitted.
This is like a third of the size of my normal position. Just for anybody watching, it's a third of the size. So it's not a
Order filled. Order filled.
oh, that's not fucking good. I just got a buy signal.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just got a buy signal on my fucking chart. Too many things that are going. I don't like that I'm getting mixed signals, to be honest with you.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
I have I'm playing around with T-Trade's indicator. I kind of like it because I don't have to chart anything, to be honest with you.
Stop filled.
It stops me from having to chart. Yeah, it just, I mean, that's exactly what happened. You know who I'm talking about, right, CT? Do you know who I'm talking about or what indicator I'm talking about? If not, I'll No, it's not. It's 45 a month. This is what it looks like. Those are those T-spots that he talks about. You have midway of the candles made. over here. So this is the 15 minute. So this is the 1 minute chart. And these are the 15-minute candles. You know, if you know, yeah, CT. If you know the model that he trades, I mean, it's a lot to do with holding the middle and whatnot, and then you could see the standard deviations on the way up. Yeah, with that, yeah, he does. Yeah. Well, I saw him post about it, but it's very similar to what he does already. What would prevent somebody from running that live on YouTube, like they do Bookmap? I don't know. Nothing, maybe.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that was a quick fucking slobberoonie.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Should pay the. Yeah, it pays for itself pretty easily. I'll be honest with you, it just stops me from doing stupid shit that I would normally do. Is what it would do. What it does. I'm fucking.
Order filled. Order filled.
I want to see it bounce back up. I want to see it come back up a little bit. Gotta go getting set up. Yeah, just fading top step would be more than enough. I mean, listen, you could do it all manually. I just was getting tired of doing it manually. You know, like honestly, if you do it manually, I got to split the chart. I got to pull up a 15-minute, and then I got to do mid candles on the side. Like there's just shit that you got to do. I'm sure someone's going to do a copy version of it. You know,
order filled.
Planting out the standard deviations and shit. Like I just don't want to be
submitted.
Bothered with it.
Order submitted.
You know, there's certain things I want to be bothered with, certain things I don't. And that was just one of them that I just didn't want to deal with it. So.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I got to get NinjaTrader to stop saying order submitted. Anybody know how? Anybody know how I could change the NinjaTrader voice off? Come on. We got to move down within like this or the next candle. Otherwise, I'm out. This or the next candle or I'm out. Oh, Bookmap. I can't get Bookmap to work. I'm not a Bookmap guy. I'm fucking out of this.
Order filled.
It might go. I'm just out. I'm fucking
Order
back.
filled.
I'm back for a scalp. Just dump it real quick.
Order filled.
There we go. You have the male voice. How do you change it though? There's got to be in the settings. I gotta change this. There's got to be a fucking. Turn off NinjaTrader voice. It's got to be super simple. Control center, tools, options. General selection. Oh, dude. Oh, here we go. Boom. Oh, shit. Look, I told you. I knew that was going to fucking go, too. I knew it was going to go. I knew it. Yeah, I did it. I did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Are we not going to hold the 200 when we're all the way sold down? We are fucking sold all the way down here. This is like prime bounce. This is Will Smith getting jiggy with it right now. Oh, geez. Oh, I hit the button too many fucking times. What do I want to do here? Where is my Ninja Trader account anyways? Honestly, this is looking shitty because it should have bounced by now. I will hold it. I will hold it, but it's not looking fucking good. It's not looking good at all. Come on. Don't be baby gains, Joe. Come on, man. Push this thing the fuck up. So I'm about to take baby gains because I'm going to go eat. I'm out of that. I'm out of that. I didn't like how that was fucking playing out. That should have bounced already. The fact that it's not was definitely worrying me. Also, what's interesting is volume is volume is not high for like a bounce. The volume did not spike. You got actually low volume. Watch, it's going to sell through now. to 36 or some shit like that. Oh, you got the pivot point right here. Maybe we'll come down and touch it and go. Nope. Selling on through. Selling on through to the other side. Something weird's going on. I'm going to have to reset my fucking thing. All right, guys. I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock. So just give me an hour and 45 minutes to go eat and shit. I'm going to go eat. I'm actually going to take 3 on the short side. I'm only doing this as see if it rejects this pivot point and rolls over. All right, I'm going to go eat. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I'm back live. All right, good luck for the next 2 hours. Don't do anything stupid. Do not do anything stupid, please. We've had a good day here. Don't mess it up. Woo, baby. Look at that shit. Some lunch money. All right. Peace out, Cub Scout.